YoIt'sGavo here, and I'm going to be unboxing the Amazon Echo Dot. Going to unwrap the box. And I'm going to show you all around the box. It says designed around your voice. It voice control to your speakers, far field voice recognition, and voice control your smart home. You can read that. You can pause it, read it. And there's the front. Now I'm going to unbox. Just says tear right there. So I'm going to do that. Pull it out. And what you get is the Amazon Dot wrapped in plastic.
Oh! Boy!
Instructions to get started. The cord that you plug into it.
Wow!
And a power brick to plug it in. So I'm going to plug it in and show you all what it's like. Okay, so now I have it all set up, and yeah, so I'm going to just show you how it works. So Alexa, what's the news?
Here's your flash briefing. In NPR News from TuneIn.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a station you might like, The Weekend.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's the weather?
In there's a high wind warning in effect until Tuesday, January 10th, 10 p.m. The current weather is 46 degrees with rain. Tonight's forecast has clouds, with a low of 21 degrees.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:08 p.m.
Alexa, hello.
Hi.
So now I'm going to test how well it can actually hear my voice. So I'm going to go across the room and test it. And you can hear my voice from all the way back here, hopefully. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a station you might like, J. Cole.
So the voice recognition is pretty good, and you could also pair it with a Bluetooth speaker or any smart home devices. And in general, I think this is very good for the $50 that I paid for it. I definitely recommend it, and I will see y'all in the next video.
Wavy never land like Benny from the Sandlot, calling my shot. The great Bambino, don't drink.